Imagine a device that combines the capabilities of a full-fledged cinema camera with the legendary durability of action cameras, one you can skydive with or take to the ocean floor. Forget everything you knew about previous generations. GoPro Mission 1 marks an entirely new era. This is a compact cinema camera with a standard 14mm GoPro lens designed for those who take content creation as seriously as possible. It features a huge 1-inch sensor, a dual artificial intelligence processor, and full 8K recording. But is it worth the price? Let's find out. But let's start with the most important thing. What about the price? The official price tag for the GoPro Mission 1 is $5,999.99. Considering that it houses a sensor on par with professional compacts, supports 32-bit float audio, and comes with flagship software, this positions it as a fully fledged tool for serious creators and action filmmakers. And we'll start our review with the unboxing. As you can see, the packaging is stylish, minimalist, and informative. On the side of this box, you can notice that it supports, more precisely, that this device supports an app. Here we can see all the information about this device. Here we can see the device information, and here again we can see the device information. On the front of our box, you can find the name of our device, and you can see that it supports 8K at 30 FPS or 4K at 120 FPS. Now let's go ahead and open up our box together to see exactly what is waiting for us inside. And tucked inside this modest, very compact little box, we actually get quite a lot of helpful documentation, some colorful stickers, and a complete factory kit so that you can start your shooting journey right away. For example, we have the Mission 1 camera unit itself, along with the newly updated official branded battery pack. There's also a removable protective lens hood. This is what it looks like. Removable lens hood. It reduces glare and increases contrast. A curved adhesive mount, this seems to be it, curved adhesive mount, a mounting quick release buckle, mounting lug, and a locking screw. This is what it looks like. And of course, there's also a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, and as I mentioned, a set of branded stickers. And for me, this is quite a solid and pleasant package because, for example, I can connect everything and immediately go out and start shooting. Plus, I'm glad that it comes with a branded cable and also an extra battery. But now let's talk about the design. Externally, the camera has retained its recognizable rugged style, but has become much more versatile. The main feature of the body is that it offers 3 different mounting options right away. The first is the traditional folding mounts. The second is the standard 1/4 20 thread for regular tripods and monopods. And finally, the third is the new magnetic lid mount system for instant attachment and removal. The body now has improved heat dissipation, and most importantly, it can withstand being submerged underwater at depths of up to 20 meters or 66 feet straight out of the box without any bulky underwater housing. But let's talk about the display. Controlling the camera and framing your shot has become even more convenient thanks to 2 bright OLED screens. Speaking of the rear screen, it's huge and vibrant, a 2.59-inch touchscreen OLED display with instant touch response. The front screen is a 1.4-inch display that shows status information and gives you a full real-time view of the live image. I think this is the perfect solution for vlogging. Now let's take a look under the hood and talk about the camera itself. And we'll start with the sensor and the processor. Inside, there's a giant 1-inch sensor and a standard 4mm lens paired with the new GP3 processor, which is twice as powerful as previous generations and equipped with a dual AI engine. The camera delivers phenomenal image quality in low light and indoors, with no awful digital noise or blurriness. For example, when it comes to resolution and color, video recording is available in an incredible 8K at 30 frames per second with a bitrate of up to 240. There's support for the 10-bit GP log, 2-color profile for deep color grading, and the HLG HDR format. But for example, when it comes to sound, this is a real breakthrough. The camera supports 32-bit float with auxiliary audio recording to a file using a 4-microphone array. Forget about overloads, distortion, loud screams, or quiet whispers. Everything can be perfectly adjusted in post-production. Well, for example, when it comes to the battery, it's equipped with an Enduro 2 with a capacity of 2150 mAh. It delivers a record-breaking more than 3 hours of operation in 4K at 30 FPS and over 5 hours in Full HD. For instance, the box claims that the battery lasts for 5 hours. In terms of features and software, it's fully loaded. And the first thing is stabilization. The Emmy award-winning HyperSmooth with auto boost and full 360-degree horizon lock or horizon lock. Slow-mo is off the charts, 1080p at 240 FPS for 8 times slow motion and 4K at 120 FPS for 4 times slow motion. There are also photo modes here. The camera shoots RAW and standard photos at 50 megapixels and 12 megapixels with super photo mode. It supports a timer with off, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, and digital zoom. Zoom. You can choose from Super View, which is about 156 degrees wide and linear without the fisheye effect. Well, for example, when it comes to night effects, there are built-in presets here for shooting star trails, or star trace, I think it's called, though I might be mistaken, light painting and car light trails. But there are also smart features here, such as automatic object tracking, a vlog mode with face priority, and built-in GPS for overlaying a speedometer in the Quick app, Wi-Fi 6, and timecode synchronization. But who is this camera for, and is it worth buying? First, it's for creators and content bloggers who need perfect sound without lavalier mics, excellent image quality for evening shooting, and a convenient screen for selfies. For professional videomakers who need 8K, 10-bit GP-Log 2, 32-bit float audio, and color accuracy for serious editing. For adventurers and travelers who need flawless stabilization, the ability to dive to 20 meters, and 5 hours of battery life on a single charge. But is it worth buying? For almost $600, just 1 cent short, the GoPro Mission 1 offers an entirely new level of quality that blurs the line between a typical action camera and a portable cinema camera. If you've been desperately missing reliable night shooting, high 8K detail, and crystal clear sound without distortion, then you should definitely get this camera. This is one of the most advanced tools for video shooting available today. And let us know in the comments what you think of this new product at this price. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos. Bye.